friends, it's Soto's Creative Corner, and I'm going to do an unboxing. I won this bid on eBay, and it's a jewelry lot. It's actually Joan Rivers, and the way that they had the picture set up, it said it was a lot, but they were just showing one image of an item of jewelry. So it wasn't until you went into and looked at all the pictures that you could see it was actually a lot, because they didn't have it all in one photo. So I almost passed it up, but then I decided it looked like a good deal, so I'll give it a shot. And no other bidder, so I won the bid. And here's the item, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and see if it's as good as it looked at the time I made the purchase. So let's get into it and see what I got. And here we go. So let me go ahead and get it out of the package and see what we got. So here it is, nicely wrapped and tied. So let's open up the first one. So the first one is this bracelet. Very nice. See what we got on this one. Oop. Here's the necklace. And it's supposed to have some earrings that go with it. Let's see if there's anything underneath this. Another set. The classic collection. Like faux amber. Pair of earrings. And the last piece actually comes with the original box. And here it is on a suede cord. A nice weight to it. pretty nice. So I got all that. What do you think? What do you think I paid for all 3 pieces? Not including tax or shipping. Well, you saw what the shipping costs. So I think it's a pretty nice piece. I'm happy. I think it's a pretty nice piece. What I got. I think I'll enjoy wearing it. So, thanks for watching, and I hope to make more videos soon. Take care, and stay safe. See you on the next one. Bye for now.